In the shortlist section, you can see if you're eligible to sell an ASIN, and you can see that in bulk. You can also form purchase orders from the shortlist tab. Let's go ahead and enter it. In the shortlist table, you can see a list of all your shortlisted scan lists. You can see the name that you've given them, the supplier that they came from, how many units you're deciding to purchase if you've started to form your order, the order's ROI, its total cost, the profit, its status, when you last updated it, and when you first created it. Let's enter this one. The shortlist feature is very similar to the scan list. The two major differences is you'll have the eligibility column that's fully populated, and you can also apply the quantity you wish to purchase of every single ASIN that you're viewing. In the eligibility column, you'll see the status. For example, can sell means that you're eligible to sell this product at the moment. Needs approval means that you need to provide Amazon an invoice with a certain amount of units in order to get ungated. Restricted means that you're unable to sell this ASIN. You can also sort this list, and you can filter out the ones that you don't want to see. You can delete these from this list as well. They will only be deleted in the shortlist and not deleted from the scan list. You can also apply quantities you wish to purchase of every single ASIN. For example, this second one, let's assume that we think that buying 200 units is appropriate. I'm going to hit 200 here. And now what we see is we have an order starting to form. The goods will cost $690. If you look at the top over here, we can see that we're buying 200 ASIN units. The goods are going to cost $690. The prep will be $100 based on our prep costs. The total order cost will be $790. The fees, the revenue, the profit all appears here. As you continue to populate the purchase quantity, the order continues to form. Notice how these numbers now updated.